What makes a successful vlog in 2025? What if I told you that the videos you watch today will be completely different in 2025? The game is changing, and if you want to stay ahead of the game, you need to know what's coming next. In this video, we dive into the future of vlogging. What will make vlogging successful in 2025? From evolving technology to new audience expectations, I'll break it all down for you. Remember when vlogging was just someone talking to a camera in their bedroom? Fast forward to today, where vlogging is cinematic, story-driven, and full of value. But in 2025, it's going to be a whole new world. Audiences are getting smarter, platforms are evolving, and technology is advancing at lightning speed. If you want to succeed, you need to adapt and fast. In 2025, vlogging won't just be about showcasing your day, it'll be about taking your audience on a journey. Think cinematic shots, emotional stories, and narratives that engage viewers from start to finish. In 2025, audiences will want content that feels tailored to them. Think personalized trends, interactive elements, and niche topics that speak directly to their interests. Gone are the days of overly polished, perfect vlogging. In 2025, raw, authentic, and relatable content will reign supreme. People want to see the real you, with all your flaws. Vlogging in 2025, trends and strategies for success. In 2025, vloggers who stand for something will stand out. Whether it's sustainability, mental health, or social justice, audiences will gravitate toward creators who are making a difference. The future of vlogging is here. You just have to embrace it. Start experimenting with these trends today to build your skills and grow your audience. The only constant in the digital world is change. Stay curious, keep learning, and be ready to change when new trends emerge. So what makes a successful vlogger in 2025? Immersive storytelling, cutting-edge technology, hyper-personalization, authenticity, and a commitment to making a difference. The future is bright for creators who are ready to innovate. First, we talked about the power of immersive storytelling. In 2025, videos will be more than just diary entries. They will be cinematic experiences that take your audience on an emotional journey. Start practicing this now by planning your vlogs with a clear narrative structure. Second, we explored how technology will revolutionize vlogging. From AI editing to 360-degree cameras to virtual reality, the tools you use will set you apart. Don't wait. Start experimenting with these tools today to stay ahead of the curve. Third, we discussed the importance of hyper-personalization. In 2025, audiences will crave content that feels tailored to them, engage with viewers, listen to their feedback, and create content that speaks directly to their interests. Vlogging in 2025, trends and strategies for success. The last important point is, fourth, we emphasize that authenticity will trump perfection. Raw, real, and relatable content will reign supreme. Don't be afraid to show your true self. Your audience will love you for it. Finally, we highlighted the growing importance of sustainability and social impact. Vloggers who stand for something will stand out. Find a cause you're passionate about and let it shine through your content. The future of vlogging is exciting, and you're the one shaping it. Whether you're just starting out or you've been creating for years, 2025 is your chance to innovate, inspire, and make your mark. The tools are here, the trends are clear, and the audience is waiting. What are you waiting for? Get started today. Pick one trend from this video and include it in your next vlog. Experiment, learn, and grow. Remember, every great creator started somewhere, and the best time to start is now. I want to hear from you. What do you think vlogging will look like in 2025? Are you excited about these trends, or do you see something completely different on the horizon? Let me know in the comments. I've read every single one. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with another creator who's ready to take their videos to the next level. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell. We've only just gotten started, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. You're ready now to future-proof your vlogs? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's grow together. Thank you for watching.